Hello and good day. And so I'm going to be using the Lumineux Whitening Strip Teeth Kit set for about 7 days to kind of see how it affects my teeth and such. So what it comes with is that you've got the mouthwash, which you're supposed to use after brushing your teeth. You've got the toothpaste, which is enamel safe. I really like how they're promoting a lot of without sensitivity approaches to their toothpaste, mouthwash, and their whitening strips, just because I've used other whitening strips and the sensitivity that it provides to the teeth is definitely not comfortable. So you've got the whitening strips here as well. And then of course you've also got the toothbrush. Now, I'll be honest in the sense that I probably won't be using the toothbrush, but I do really appreciate how the bristles are very soft. You are supposed to be using very soft bristles, but I probably just using my own toothbrush. But overall, we're going to see how it turns out after 7 days. So to kind of apply the strips, it comes with two, one for your top teeth and one for your lower teeth, and you just let that sit for 30 minutes. Definitely don't recommend letting it sit longer than that, or else you might face consequences of some sort. For toothpaste, just use as regularly. Don't eat or drink anything after 30 minutes of using this. And then as for the mouthwash, this is supposed to be used after flossing and brushing your teeth. So swish with the mouthwash for about 60 seconds, it says, about twice per day, 2 to 3 times, but I plan on doing it twice per day. So we'll see how this eventually turns out. Hello, and so today is day 7 of using the Lumineux Teeth Whitening Kit set. And so after 7 days, I must say, like, if you can see my teeth right now, it is a nice whitish, more tinted. Okay, so I'm not gonna say like teeth are meant to be like pure pristine white, so that's something to keep in mind. But my teeth definitely are whiter, okay, as you can see from there. So I do have a light shining on it just to kind of show. But the before results, as for it was the tad bit more yellow. It's not gonna be the biggest difference, but I must say my teeth definitely are whiter. So as for the strips, I was using them for about 30 minutes every single day, just as directed on the box. No sensitivity whatsoever. I really like how the mouthwash, it's not that very harsh tasting, kind of like spiciness that you get from other mouthwashes. So it was very pleasant to use twice per day. Toothpaste, had no problem using that also whatsoever. And then lastly, the toothbrush, as I've said, I wasn't going to use the toothbrush just because I want to use my own toothbrush, but I wouldn't be surprised if that still worked as well. But again, the overall results, as you can see, okay, it is whiter, which I'm very, very pleased with. And so even if you want to go more close up, you can see that's the overall look of it. So Lumineux Teeth Whitening Kit Strip Set, that's my 7-day results. So hopefully this helps you out.